Take a moment to pause before you begin your walk. Stand still, feeling your feet firmly planted on the ground, and close your eyes if you feel comfortable. Gently bring your awareness to your body. Notice how your feet feel inside your shoes, how the fabric wraps around them, the pressure of the soles against the ground. Pay attention to the weight of your body pressing down, grounding you. As you stand here, take note of your body's sensations. Is there any part of you that feels tense or stiff? Perhaps your shoulders feel tight, or there's a heaviness in your legs. Maybe there's a lightness instead, a sense of relaxation somewhere in your body. Is the air around you warm or cool against your skin? Notice how the temperature makes you feel, whether it's a comfort or something you're adjusting to. Now, turn your attention inward. How are you feeling emotionally at this moment? Are you calm, anxious, joyful, or perhaps a little unsettled? Maybe you're carrying some stress from earlier in the day, or maybe you feel a sense of peace. Whatever you're experiencing right now, acknowledge it. Let it be, without judgment or the need to change anything. Take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. With every breath, feel your body softening just a little more, the tension releasing bit by bit. Let each exhale be an opportunity to let go. Breathe in deeply again, feeling the air expand your chest, and as you exhale, feel your body relax. When you're ready, begin to walk. Move at a pace slower than you normally would, a pace that allows you to feel every step with intention. As you take your first steps, notice how your body shifts and moves. Feel your legs lift and lower with each step, your feet rolling from heel to toe. Let your attention rest fully on the rhythm of your movement, the sensation of walking itself. Feel the ground beneath your feet, the way it supports you with each step. As your heel strikes the ground, feel the contact, then follow the movement as the ball of your foot lowers, and finally, your toes lift off, preparing for the next step. Become fully aware of how your body carries you forward, step by step, with ease. Your mind might wander as you walk. You may find yourself distracted by thoughts or worries. That's perfectly normal. When you notice your attention drifting away, gently bring it back to the present moment. There's no need to rush or to judge yourself. Simply use the next step as a fresh beginning, a new chance to be fully present with each movement. Now, let's turn our awareness to our senses as we walk. Begin by noticing what you see around you. Slowly, and with intention, take in your surroundings. What catches your eye? Look closely at the details, the small things you might usually overlook, the way sunlight filters through the trees, casting dappled shadows on the path, or the delicate pattern of leaves in the breeze. Notice the colors, the shapes, the way the world presents itself in this very moment. As you walk, listen to the sounds around you. What do you hear? Maybe there's the gentle rustling of leaves or the distant hum of traffic. Perhaps there are birds chirping, the sound of footsteps, yours or others, on the path. Tune into these sounds, both the louder ones and the softer, more subtle ones. Listen without needing to interpret or label what you hear, just let the sounds wash over you. Now, bring your attention to your sense of smell. What scents are present in the air? Perhaps you smell the earthy scent of the ground, or the fresh, clean smell of grass. Maybe there's a faint scent of flowers or the cool, crisp air of the day. Inhale deeply and see if you can detect any other aromas, even the ones that are barely there. Let your nose guide you in discovering what's present in the air around you. Next, see if you can notice any taste. Perhaps the air itself has a taste, whether it's the freshness of nature or something subtler, like a lingering taste in your mouth. Even if you can't identify a specific taste, simply be aware of your mouth and tongue as part of this sensory experience. Now, shift your attention to the sense of touch. Notice how your body feels with every movement. How does the ground feel through your shoes? Is it hard, soft, uneven, or smooth? What can you feel on your skin? Maybe there's a soft breeze brushing against your face or arms, or the warmth of the sun resting on your skin. Maybe you can feel the gentle movement of air as you breathe. Take in all the sensations your body is experiencing in this moment. As you continue walking, shift your focus back to your breath. Let your breath guide your steps, becoming an anchor in this moment. Inhale deeply, feeling the breath fill your body, and exhale slowly, releasing anything that no longer serves you. Let your breath set the pace for your walk, allowing it to be slow and steady. Each breath in, each breath out, brings you more fully into the present. Now, take a moment to check in with your emotions again. How are you feeling now compared to when you first started walking? Has your mood shifted, even slightly? Perhaps you feel lighter, more at ease, or maybe you're still carrying something with you. Whatever you're feeling, simply notice it. There's no need to change it, just acknowledge it as part of your experience. As you walk, find something to appreciate around you. Look for beauty in the simple things. It could be the way the light dances on a surface, the softness of a flower petal, or even the kindness of a stranger's smile as they pass by. Allow yourself to experience gratitude for the world around you, the colors, the sounds, the movements. Find joy in noticing these small moments of beauty and connection. Take a moment now to observe your posture. How are you holding yourself? Notice if your shoulders are tense or relaxed. Feel the weight of your body, balanced as you walk. Notice how your muscles work together to keep you steady. With every step, feel how grounded you are, supported by the earth beneath your feet. Allow your body to move naturally, with ease and grace. As your walk begins to wind down, take a few more deep breaths. Breathe in deeply through your nose, filling your lungs with fresh air, and then exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any remaining tension. Again, breathe in deeply, feeling the breath fill your body completely, and exhale slowly, feeling your body soften with each breath. As you come to the end of your walk, bring your awareness back to your body. Feel your feet in your shoes, the gentle movement of your legs as they slow down. Notice how the air feels against your skin, how your breath flows in and out. Take one final, deep breath, and allow yourself to rest in the peaceful awareness of this moment. You are here, fully present. You are grounded, connected to the earth beneath you. You are aware, tuned into your body, your breath, and the world around you. Take this sense of calm and presence with you as you move through the rest of your day.